Making bracelets on the steps.
A lot more. Hey Breeze, you wanna help me?
How's the sunrise, Colin?
It's great.
How about you, Jean? How is it? You like it, Olivia?
You know
You're sleeping. Don't lie.
Yeah, it was.
Don't lie to yourself. It's not healthy.
You don't know my favorite part about the sunrise?
Tell me, Colin. What is your favorite part? The sun?
Yeah.
Statement.
Wow.
I like this statement.
Important facts from those two over there.
Oh yeah.
The sun rose. Up here. I want to see them. Come.
It's been a long night. I've been walking ashamed in the bathroom, and it's just...
Ooh.
You remember giving Spencer your number, right?
No, but I know I drew a mermaid on his thigh.
Jesus. Mike Holder. As always. Now tell me the nickname. Where I will come from, dude. No cameras allowed. This is no camera zone.
Plans have changed. A lot. We're stranded at the airport. Flight delayed for 5 hours. Connection probably delayed.
Either way, we're missing our connection.
Yep. Everyone's either can't sleep or can sleep. Delayed again.
We boarded the plane, we were about to leave, and then they made us get off because the pilots can only fly a certain amount of hours, and they exceed that hours.
So now we're all outside again, and the plans have changed.
Here we are. I'm thinking the plan was go to the airport, get on the plane, go to New Jersey, take other plane to Chicago, go home. Plan turned out to be some people were missing part flight and some of us were going home, and then it was more delay, then it was none of us are going home. And then we get on the plane, think you're going home, and then get back off the plane because the pilots that their time to fly is up or whatever. And then
You can't fly no more.
Like 7 people get to go home, and the rest of us end up at this hotel going to homes hopefully tomorrow. Do you even have a Chicago flight planned tomorrow, or is it just the New Jersey flight?
Okay. Okay. You see that elevator over there, right? Okay. Why are there stairs? What is the purpose of having stairs if there's an elevator? Why do we need it? Also, this. What is this? What could you possibly do here? What are you gonna climb over there? Here. No.
Make your suitcase. I just snaps in half. I'm really tired.
You were just like getting the perfect shot, like, I'll get it. No, wait, no. Now.
the flight.
Welcome home. We missed you.
Thanks, Mom. Yep. It was a good trip. It was a stressful flight home.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Long time. Long travel time.
Yeah.
How many hours late? 19 plus 3.5?
We were 19 hours delayed on the first one. Yeah.
And today, second
We
one.
were delayed by like 3 or 4 hours. Yeah. But
All right,
Peace out.
elevator center.